Hello, my name is Ryan Ismerlian, and I'm the Conveying Product Engineer here at Novatec. Today I'm here to talk to you about some of the general maintenance that you'll be doing on your Novatec positive displacement pump. If you look behind me, we have 3 vacuum pumps here, all with similar maintenance needs. But we're going to focus on the VPDB as it will apply to all. The VPDB is our traditional workhorse, so there are a few items that have to be checked periodically to make sure that it stays your tried and true, your backbone to your conveying system. As you'll notice, we have a belt guard. Our pumps are driven by belts, so there will be some belt maintenance that is required. It will be either 1, 2, or 3 belt shiv drive systems on these pumps, so you'll have to have those on the shelf readily available for whenever you have to do your maintenance needs. You'll take the belt guard off via 4 screws that are available on this belt guard with a single tool removal access. Pull the belt guard, loosen up your motor base, pull the belts off, put the new belts on, tighten up the base to a certain belt tension that is provided in your pump manual or on one of these cue cards that are found on all of our pumps. Once you have that all tightened up and you have your shivs aligned, you can put your belt guard back on and you're good to run again. However, there is another item of maintenance that you'll have to take care of as well, and that is the oil in your blower. Our blowers are dual sump units, so you'll have oil on your drive side and on your gear side. You'll have to drain the oil on both sides and refill to the appropriate levels, which can be indicated by the sight glass that is located on the side of the blower. Now, you will also have a rough estimate of what that oil volume should be in your manual and on the quick card that is also found on the pump. We've tried to make things a little bit easier for your oil maintenance needs. We've added oil drain valves. Now, these valves are readily accessible on the side or outside the frame of the pump so that you can just open them up and let them drain. Now you may be able to step away and start working on the next pump while it finishes draining. But then once you're done, you close the valve and you're ready to fill the blowers back up. Now, once you've done your blower maintenance, done your belt maintenance, another item that you have to keep an eye on is your filter. Now, all of our vacuum pumps come with a safety filter. The ones behind me have this clear bowl so you can have a good visual inspection of this filter so you can know, is it clean, is it dirty, does it look filled with plastic pellets, which would be a really bad sign. But you are actually able to go look, you can check your vacuum level at idle. It'll give you the information you need in order to pull that filter out, whether it be cleaning it off or doing a complete replacement. Those are the 3 primary maintenance items on these vacuum pumps, and it applies to all 3, the VPDB, the SVP, and our MVP vacuum pumps. Now, if you want information on these individual pumps in lieu of the service needs, you can visit our website at www.novatec.com or reach out to one of our sales representatives or our service team for information. Thank you for watching.